Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking compatibility and safety. Know your watch model and band width because the wrong size won't fit. Once done, power off or set airplane mode so the screen stays idle while you work. This prevents accidental taps. Next, lay a microfiber cloth on your work surface and place the watch face down. Use a spring bar tool or pin to expose the quick-release lever or spring bar. Do this gently, because forcing parts can bend the lug or damage the band. You now remove the old band. Locate the quick-release lever or the spring bar pin inside the lug gap and identify which direction compresses the bar. Push the lever or compress the pin inward while pulling the strap gently away at a slight angle. This reduces pressure on the spring. Once free, set old parts in your small tray. Make sure to clean the lugs and contact area. Debris or sweat residue prevents a flush fit and can trap moisture that degrades seals over time. You attach the new band by inserting the spring bar into the strap, then compressing it while seating one end into the lug hole and lowering the opposite end until it clicks. Do both sides, making sure the strap is aligned and not twisted. A misaligned strap stresses the pins. Once attached, tug gently to confirm the connection. Finally, test the fit on your wrist, and if your watch is water-resistant, perform a basic water check as recommended. If any movement or gaps appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.